Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free morphs on this Italian Brainrot game. I'll show you one right now. Hopefully I can find it. I actually don't know where it is. It's like on top of a mushroom, but you can kind of like go around and find them everywhere anyways. There are a bunch of like free morphs. I don't know why it's like hidden. But there's like one on top of the mushroom. You can kind of like go around and just like walk, and you're able to find some of the items as well here. It's not these mushrooms, by the way. It's like one giant mushroom. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just walk around this map and you'll be able to find some new free morphs on this game. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!